In this tutorial, we will learn how to generate a report ready for printing. To begin, the first thing we'll do is go to the Manufacturing tab, and in the Breakdown Settings command, we make sure all the necessary information is filled in. If you need more details, you can refer to the pricing tutorial where this step is explained in depth. Once we've ensured all the data is completed, we'll go back to the Files tab. We'll open the Breakdown Details panel and click on Generate. All the model details will automatically be generated. Next, we'll open the Report panel. We will fill in all the report data we need. In this case, the client ID, product order, style, CAD designer, and description. Then we select the template, in this case, Report Template 1. After that, we just need to click on Generate. RhinoArtisan will generate a report with all the data, both for metals and gems, as well as model views. Also, by double-clicking on any view, we can edit it. Once selected, we go to the top left corner and expand the available options. We can change the display mode as well as many other settings. Another useful option is that we can change the metal directly in the outliner, and it will be automatically reflected in the report. Additionally, we can change the model's position. Before generating the PDF, it's also helpful to know that we can add dimension annotations to the model views. We display all 4 views again to proceed. Next, we go to the Drafting tab and click on the Generate Dimensions command. This will automatically create dimensions based on the geometry of the model. Then we'll select all the dimensions and move them to another layer. In this case, I'll use the default layer. That way, the dimensions will appear in black in the report. We'll go back to the Files tab, but in this case, we won't create a new report. We'll simply scroll down to preview our template, and we'll see how the views have automatically updated with the dimensions we generated. Now we just need to add another metal to our report. We return to the 4 views, and in the outliner, we add another metal. We go back to the template. Keep the first metal layer as white gold and the second one as rose gold. And voila, the report is updated with both metals. Now we can click on 3D Print in the Files tab. And now our report is fully completed and ready to print.